Just forget the world.
We're back. It's YouTube Tuesdays. We got a wicked one for you. There's a video at Daytona. Did you guys see Daytona? Like, Daytona was awesome. There's some pretty wicked bikes there, right? There was a video that went viral at Daytona. Outcast Culture Manufacturing posted a video of Sketchy Glide. Very nice young lady decided to kick over Sketchy Glide's bike. And this is obviously a stage stunt, guys. I'm going to show a little excerpt of the video right now. And you're going to see exactly how and what takes place in it. And it was a stage event to show you what we're going to show you today. Santero Crashworks bars. They are the best. I'm going to tell you all about them. Stay tuned. We're going to jump into it right now. All right, we're back. All right, let's talk about these crash bars. These things are amazing. The one really cool thing that you guys just saw was the bike fell over and there was pretty much not a scratch on it. The reason why is if you see a standard set of Harley-Davidson crash bars that are going to go on your saddlebags, they are made identical almost to this. The only difference is these ends right here. These pieces right here are not attached on your standard Harley-Davidson crash bar for saddlebags. So the reason why I purchased these is because of this extension piece. And you saw in that video how that protected the bike. When it's installed on the saddlebag right here, I'm going to try and see if I can get it all in the frame. So for argument's sake here, what happens is your standard Harley-Davidson crash bars stop at this piece, sort of where the sticker is. And the bar just comes down and it kind of protects the edge of the bag. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm sorry I can't do a better job of this, but it just sort of stops sort of right here on the edge. Now, when the bike falls over, it's going to fall on the saddlebag. It's not going to completely fall on the saddlebag. It's going to fall a good portion of on the saddlebag, on the exhaust, and it's going to hit your other engine guard. Now, what Santero did is he added these pieces, and it actually extends the fall. It extends it, so when it does fall, it's actually going to hit one of these pieces here first. Now, I've installed a wheel that he has an option. Most of the time, guys are going to run what we call a Durlin slider, and it's the same thing as what's on here. They come in a couple of different sizes when you order them from him. And this is sort of a polyurethane bushing that when you scrape it on the concrete, it's not going to damage, obviously. The bar is just going to damage this. You just replace this. The neat thing Santero did is you can buy wheels. So I put a wheel on. It's cool. Yeah, I know. And yeah, that's the bulk of this sort of crash bar thing. I want to take the you guys outside into the garage. I want to show you what it looks like installed on the bike. And we're going to do something really cool. So stay tuned. Okay, we're going to do something crazy right now.
Super crazy.
Seriously making me very nervous.
Keep your fingers crossed for us.
Okay, let's do it. There it is, folks. There it is. There it is.
She's lying down on the ground. She's sleeping.
She's sleeping. She is sleeping. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer. Not even the floorboard is touching right now. And I have the wheel on, so that's pretty short compared to the longer sliders that you can purchase from him. Yeah, you know, there's 900 pounds on that wheel. It is flexing quite a bit. But as you can see, for 2 minutes now, the bike has been sitting here. No saddlebags, no exhaust touching. Floorboards barely even touching on the bottom. Barely. Like, I mean, barely.
Watch your hand.
Look at that one. Howdy. So yeah, that's it. Santuro, if you don't buy these crash bars, you're nuts.